Hey, welcome back to Naomi's Kitchen Cuisine, and today we have a really quick video for you. We are making some sexy juice. So for today's recipe, we'll be using some vanilla, some almond essence, a carton of orange, pineapple and tropical juice, a tin of condensed milk, Nurishment, some nutmeg and some cinnamon. So to start, I'm gonna add all my juices together in a pot. So my tropical juice, my pineapple, and my orange juice. Next up, I'm adding my Nurishment, my condensed milk, and I'm stirring this in whilst adding it so it distributes evenly in the juices. I'm using a can of condensed milk, but remember, you can sweeten to your liking. Now it's time to add our flavorings. So our vanilla, almond essence, nutmeg and cinnamon, and we're going to give those a stir. As I said earlier, guys, this is a really quick and easy way of making this juice. You can also use pineapple and orange fruit and juice them if you want a healthier option. So now I'm straining the excess nutmeg and cinnamon. I suggest you strain twice to get as much off as possible. This is such a nice and refreshing drink to enjoy. I used to make this juice when I used to run a food shop and everyone loved it. So next time you have a gathering, make this drink for your friends and family, and I'm sure they will be wanting the recipe or coming back for more. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos from Naomi's Kitchen Cuisine.